At Zinsmeyer Structural Steel, quality begins long before steel reaches the job site. Every beam, column, and connection starts with advanced manufacturing technology operated by skilled craftsmen who take pride in precision. From state-of-the-art CNC machinery to experienced fabrication teams, every step of the process is designed to produce structural steel that's built accurately, efficiently, and ready for installation. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Peddinghaus PCD 1100 CNC beam drill line. Every structural steel project begins with one critical requirement: precision. Before a beam can be assembled, welded, or erected in the field, every hole must be drilled exactly where it's designed to be. At Zinsmeyer Structural Steel, that responsibility belongs to the PCD 1100 CNC beam drill line. Designed to automate one of the most important stages of steel fabrication, the PCD 1100 processes structural beams, channels, tubing, and other steel profiles with remarkable speed and consistency. Using CNC technology, the machine reads digital fabrication data and positions each steel member with exceptional accuracy before drilling begins. Multi-axis drilling allows several surfaces of the beam to be processed simultaneously, dramatically reducing production time while maintaining tight tolerances. Depending on the configuration, the PCD 1100 can also perform layout marking, carbide scribing, countersinking, tapping, and milling operations, while automated tool changers keep production moving. For customers, this means dependable quality, accurate bolt patterns, fewer mistakes, and steel that arrives ready for efficient assembly. As Zinsmeyer Structural Steel, the PCD 1100 is more than a drill line. It's a vital part of delivering dependable structural steel on schedule through precision, efficiency, and craftsmanship.